Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, before we start planning for the week of February 14th through the 20th, I have a little bit of happy mail I want to share with you. I was shopping at Creating & Co. because she had some new kits and a new reading challenge that's not really, it's not like a challenge, but I'm going to call it more of a tracker. So this is her Bridgerton reading challenge or tracker. So this is the front page, and this is where you write down which of the Julia Quinn books you have read. So I'm excited to do that. I'll show you how I put that together in my reading journal in a different video. So put these to the side. And then she also had some social season kits. I went with the anti-kit, and the anti-kit basically is just a one-page. Sorry about that. I had a phone call come through as I was trying to film. So I went with her anti-kit, and her anti-kit is just a one sheet of paper, and it has 3 full boxes. It's got some washi stickers. It's got some deco and these like little paint whooshes, as I'll call them. She has full kits as well. I just was like, you know what? I don't need a full kit. I just want to kind of play around. So I got that. And then I got her Irish Fairy Tales anti-kit. Again, you can get this in a full kit as well, but I just thought this was a nice way to kind of, without having to get a full kit, really add some deco and some difference to my planner. I also got, this is called her Reading Sampler, and I got it in the colorway that's the same as the social season. So you've got some started reading stickers, some finished reading, some 5-star reviews, some booksy characters, and then some books and audiobooks. So just some fun new things to try. So I figured since it's Valentine's week, I would actually use the Bridgerton kit, and I thought about pairing it. I shouldn't say thought. I plan on pairing it with Icy Pastels because look at the colors. Like, I like that this is a little bit lighter, and then like this is more saturated. I do have the rest of the Icy Pastels kit, and I may use some of it. I don't have a ton left, so we'll see, but I just thought this was a cute idea for Valentine's week. I don't have a ton going on this week. We do have a day off on Friday. What? In fact, I'm going to get my monthly calendar out just to double check. I didn't do sticky notes today. So that's where a monthly spread is super important. So like I said, not much going on this week. So we get to do another fun decorative all over the page spread. So I want to take a look at my Icy Pastel Florals because this is a corner. Oh, I have a weekend banner too. Let me get that guy out. I put it in a good spot. There they are. So we have the floral weekend banners, so that'll be fun to mess around with as well. The social season is upon us. I did read The Duke and I. Loved it. So I feel like if we're going to weekend banner it, I'm just kind of, I feel like we do this guy over here. Do I really just want to put it here? Decisions. I think so. I think we're going to do the corner here, and we're going to do the weekend really up top so that we've kind of got that kind of cluster thing going on there. Loved The Duke and I. May have loved it more than the actual Netflix series. But isn't that how that goes with books? A lot of times the books are so much better than the TV series or the movies. Ooh, but like, no. No, we're going here. We are going here. We're gonna do some cutting today too, so. Come on. So the Icy Pastels are from Coffee Planner Mom, and I am a PR girl. You can 15% off your order if you use my code Holly15. Let's go ahead and I need to remember to put my good crafting scissors back on my planning table. I don't have Netflix right now. I know Bridgerton Season 2 is getting ready to be released on Netflix. So we'll just have to wait to see if I get to view that. I am saving my little sticker scraps here just because I might need it to fill in other spots. And I'll probably come back through with my good, not that these are bad scissors, but they're just not what I need right now. But I'm not going to go to the other room to get the crafty scissors. All right, let's put the weekend banner down before I forget, because I tend to do that. And do I want to do some of the washing? Maybe like the purple and the purple. Okay, weekend banner. Wait one moment. Just chill there. Do that. Do this one on the bottom. I think I'll actually do it this way. And then we're going to use some of this book washi from Creating & Co. And I don't think we're going to like try and perfectly rip it. We're just going to like that. Beep. Like that. Yeah. Like that. Just gives a little something. Now we can banner. Right like that. Awesome. Okay. We do need a meal planning sticker. Let's see what we got for that. I don't really want to use the snowflakes. So we will probably do bullet points. Where's my other sheet of... Hey, where'd you go? Oh, up there. Haha. See what we got left over here. I can use this week. Or we could just use a checklist. Let's use a checklist. Yay. Super fun. I'm already loving the colors. Already loving the colors. And then I was thinking about this is where I'm gonna need to just kind of peruse a moment. I was thinking about like just floraling kind of diagonally, like whoosh, up to the weekend banner. I guess we can. All right, we're just gonna go to town. That's what we're gonna do. Maybe put this guy here because he takes up a little bit more space. And put our statement one there. I don't know if I have any other pastel florals hanging around, which is fine. It's all good. We'll make it work. This guy here. And so kind of like, you know, obviously. Some of the leaves. It's been fun having weeks where I can kind of just decorate and not worry about, oh, I need to have this, that, or the other. Put you here, this way. Oh dear. I'm not oh dearing you guys. I can hear downstairs that my father's on the phone. That's what I got the phone call about. I think he accidentally called my sister. And it's early in the morning. I'm an early bird. My sister is not. Oh, I've got this little guy. You can use him. There we go. Yes. All right. So we've got that. Next, I want to use our full boxes, I think. So I think we'll do the green. And let me tear off a piece of book washi here. Are you reading the Bridgerton books, or what are you currently reading if you're not, you know, a nerd like me? Let's use the blue stars. I don't typically layer like on the sticker. I usually layer on the page. I think I'll put this one here. It's silly how excited I get about stickers, friends. It's really silly. And then I do need to get down. So Sharpie has a haircut on Saturday. And then that's really it. I got game night for Pink Zebra. My cleaning checklist. So I should get those down before I go any more ridiculous. Let's use this guy. I'll use that as my chores list. And then Sharpie's appointment. We can use a box like that. Maybe we add do a floral box with a purple swoosh. I think I have the appointment sticker. I do. Huzzah. This is fun. I shouldn't have so much fun, but I am. Haha. Oh, the lady whistle down papers. We might just put that right there. All right, let's do game night. Maybe a pink box. I think I have a game night sticker. I do. Oh, from one of the freebies. It's a lot of pink. We should probably put a blue there just to give it a little bit more. Or the green. We could do the green. Just something to make it stand out. Then I think we'll do some bullet points and maybe some deco on those other sections. Just for like little to-do lists. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, that's very off. Hang on. I don't want to undo for just a bullet point. Let go. Thank you. I mean, I know I could have, but like, really. So got some to-dos there, and I think that's going to do it, friends. Look how cute this came out. I love how these two kits kind of, or like deco and kit, go together. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out Coffee Planner Mom, like I said, my code is Holly15 for 15% off your order. I'll also link the Creating & Co. stickers that I used in the description below. The social season is upon us. I'm so excited. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.